If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce to you AVG Tech TV. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Valley Tech expert in services like graphic designing, they will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas, and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads designing. Get your website designed with interactive video promo. Visit their YouTube channel at YouTube name as AVG Tech TV. If you want a business looking to create awesome website for it, then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduce.
Hello, welcome once again. The name still remains AVG Tech TV. Today we are going to learn how to make money online with AVG CLUB. If you know you are new to this AVG CLUB website, check in the description. There is a video link there. Watch it and learn how to register your account and withdraw. And after that, come back and watch this and learn how to make money with this website. If you know you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel. If you know you are a member, give us a thumbs up. We really like your comment a lot. Put your comment in the comment section. For us not to waste time, let's jump into this video. Now if you watch the video, there is a link there. Use the link and go to the website and create your account. Now when you finish creating your account, this is how the interface is going to look like, as this is going to be what show us. Someone asks, what is AVG CLUB? What is this using for? AVG CLUB is a website that accepts trading with football like bet, but this is not a bet like we betting for the normal one. This one we are going to make money free. Let me show you something here. You see the I sign there, that I sign at the right corner. When you tap on it, you see your balance. See, I'm having active 278 USDT. This work with cryptocurrency, which is the USDT. Now, when you register a new account, they'll give you a trial bonus of 240 USDT. So use it to work for a month and they'll pay you the commission that you make out from it. So if my account expires today, they are going to pick the 240 out from this account and give me the remaining one. So 240 minus 278 is going to give us, so 200 out of 200, so therefore it's going to give us 37 USDT. So that is if my account, my bonus and they'll give me the commission out from it. So now my bonus is about to end. If you want to check the date that your bonus will end, just there is dash trial fund amount. Just type on that one and you see you still have 0.3 trial funds to use. The trial fund will expire on 3rd of this month 2022. So that is when they are going to pay me my money. My first account I ever got 10 USDT from. I was not serious about it, and that is why I know is what this, but I'm using new account just to get the free trial listing to make more money with it. So that is why I created a new account. So now someone asks, how do we make money with this? Now when they give you the trial account, what you need to do is come down there at the down button. There we have market page, home page, market, lives, record and profile. Now tap on the market. This market will load and give you the particular videos that you are going, particular football matches that you are going to use. But this is not like a betting. You're going to choose any betting teams. They will give you a tips and you use their money to work and they'll pay you in monthly. That's I think. So they'll give you a tips with a correct score that you're going to use that their money they give you to stick. So you tap on today. So today we are having 55 matches. It load. Now scroll down. when you are scrolling, you see an umbrella sign on one of the matches. Let's be scrolling down. It's still loading. My network is slowing here. Now there will be an umbrella sign on one of these matches. That is the umbrella match that you are going to what? Stake. They can give you more and you'll be staking them one after you finish. So I already stake one. So that one is ongoing. That's why I'm having an active. So that one is playing. The match has already started. So you see a match here. It says Saudi Arabia Division AL Wabab versus Hajia or whatever. You see an umbrella sign there. So this umbrella sign is telling you that you see the umbrella sign where this is showing. So this umbrella sign here is showing that is what you are going to use to what? Trade your USDT. So tap on that match. Sorry, you tap on that match. So that match will move open. Now it will move you to a correct score. You don't have win there, don't have anything unless only correct score. So scroll down, you see the umbrella sign again. We have 3-3, so just tap on that 3-3. So the money that they give you, use all to stake for your your commission to go high. So just tap on it. Now put the amount as the balance of your trial refund. Now my own is 0.3, it cannot be used. So if they give you the 240 USDT, just start with 240 USDT and tap on the trial fund. Just tap on this trial fund. So when you tap on the trial fund like this, it will move you to a place. You just confirm with the trial fund again. So because my account is insufficient, it can't place. So when you that, they will tell you success, it has been what created. So you go to record. Now you go to record, you see it here, match name. So my own is not yet settled. They are playing, you see it. The estimate profit is plus 2 this USDT. So I'll get 2 USDT as a commission. Because of this 5% that they pick as a fee, they also pick the 53 out from them. They may give me 2.3 USDT. So when this match settles, I'll win. Definitely I'm going to win, because that is how you are trading. You are only trading with their money, and they'll pay you the commission at when their trial fund finish. So when you finish, you can use the money remaining there to trade. But if you want to, you can deposit and add it to it and be trading with it. As the way they are just giving this money, that's how you are going to do it, and you earn. So if you know this video is effective to you, kindly like and comment below. If you know yet you are not still understanding anything, just put it in the comment section and I'll attend to you. Thank you and welcome again to the channel.